In the 1930s, Swiss physicist Walter Jaeger aimed to create a sensor for toxic gases after a tragic incident in his hometown. Faced with challenges, his initial prototype struggled to detect toxic gases, effectively causing frustration. During a break, Jaeger lit a cigarette and realized that his invention could detect smoke particles, giving birth to the first smoke detector. Introduced commercially in the 1980s, the smoke detector came to life as a tool for safety, sounding an alarm to warn of smoke presence. From an unexpected breakthrough to an essential safety guardian, Walter Jaeger's smoke detector played a crucial role in protecting lives.